Hey guys, Recover Tactical Glock 43 rail. Thought we'd take a look at this today. It's an unboxing. Just got this in the mail. It's made in Israel. Thought that was pretty cool. It says it's the most stable rail solution for the Glock 43. Easy to install with supplied hardware. No modifications to your gun required. Open it up, see what it looks like. So you got some instructions and a warranty. So this is the two pieces that are going to go on the gun. It's a clamshell design. That's what it's going to look like. You can attach lights and lasers to your Glock 43 using this. I got an O light coming in tomorrow. We'll see how that works. Comes with a Allen wrench and 2 hex screws and nuts. Take a look at the 1 page of instructions. Got my Glock 43 here. It's cleared. Nothing in the chamber. No mag in the mag well. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pop this bad boy on real quick. So it's got a piece here, a lip, that's gonna sit right in here in the channel. So it's saying make sure that you get that in there, and that locks it in the channel there. The other piece is going to lock on the trigger guard. Then I guess we just put the 2 little nuts. Drop them in the top here. It's going to hold the nuts.
Boys, what are you doing?
Okay, so whatever you just said, say it again, and I'll just edit this whole thing out.
You ruined the whole video, boys. Good job. I was trying to make a freaking bubble.
Got the front one in. Put the back one in. Tighten those down. And it's as simple as that. Things on there nice and tight, not going anywhere. Looks really good. That's what the finished product looks like. Looks pretty nice. It's not really protruding out past the front of the gun too much. It's about flush with the end of the barrel. I like it. Let's see if it fits in my little pocket holster. Yep, still fits in there good. We'll see if it's going to fit with the O-Light when it comes in. Oh, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's the Recover Tactical G43 rail. They make these for other models of guns too, in case you're interested.